Video or not, doesn't really matter. But anyway, I had a bear tag, and on opening day of Wisconsin bear season, I ended up actually falling out of the tree stand and breaking my leg, which is pretty crazy. But anyway, I wasn't able to get out for the Wisconsin duck opener, so I actually gave my GoPro to my brother and my cousin. They went out duck hunting with a couple other buddies, and they actually had a great duck hunt. They killed 27 birds. They just had some awesome footage and an awesome hunt. Unfortunately, I was not able to make it out for the Wisconsin duck opener, but fortunately, we still got an awesome video of an awesome hunt for you guys. So here it is. I hope you enjoy it.
Chat. Yep, cover your ears, boys. Right on the side of the head. Got him. Shat, watch it, still alive. Shat, it's swimming right there. You see it? It's right there. It's in between the cattails. Shoot that thing, Brody. That's you boys. Nice, good shooting, guys. Down the pipe. Oh, did you get it?
It went down way over there.
Damn it. Oh, good shot, Carter. Jeez, I didn't even see that thing. Well, we got one right down. Oh, back left, back left. Notch hit the call. They're pretty heavy, but. They're right up there now, if they're not interested. God, Brody. Tweety. Oh, that's a duck.
That's better.
Folded. That was embarrassing.
That was quick.
I was blue and say like how far?
Like probably in that bend wrap around that.
Oh geez. Don't call at him because they did and he didn't like that. He might give us a crack. Here he comes. Kill that. Another mallard down in the tree. I didn't even shoot.
I shot.
How many you got there, Brody? Okay. So far we got 3 woodies sitting here, 2 blue wings and 2 mallards. Pretty decent. So that's 7. Brody's got ducks 8 through 11 right there. Just go put them over on the log here. Man, those green wings are freaking tiny. Yes. That's alright. Meat's good. So right here you've got 11 now. I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So we got probably 15. Here. It's a nice drake. Or gonna be. Oh, Brody, I'm gonna shoot him when he gets away. Hold on. When he gets up and goes away, I'll shoot him. Shit. Still a blue wing. Pretty little male.
Oh, cool, man.
Up here. Yep.
Very cool.
Good work, boy. Oh, shoot it again. Nice. Mallards, baby.
She did it, right?
Oh, right here, right here. 2-pack. Right here, right in your face. Did we mess that up? What? Oh, we got one?
Hey, not bad.
Good work.
That's more like it.
Yeah.
Gets off.
Be smart. Thing was zipping.
Hey, nice.
Oh God, shoot it now.
Oh, yeah.
Good work. Do you think we can try them? Oh! She's setting up real nice. Kill that thing now. Oh, I thought you had her on that last one. Coming in here. Boys aren't too sure about it. We're at 26 ducks right now. I think we're gonna try and weather through this sucker and clean up after, because we ain't gonna get out of here in time. Should we go try and find some cover? I'm at height or wait? Oh, got one. Oh God, that's a nightmare. Finally gotten to us. This kind of sucks, but might bring us another duck or two, so we're gonna stick it out. Kill him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We're back at the house. Nice pile of birds here.
Just a few, nothing crazy.
Wash out the canoes. shit up to dry.